Welcome to my channel, lovely people. Today, if you are here for the first time, Happy New Year. And if you are my return viewer, also Happy New Year. Today, I'm doing leggings, ankara leggings filled with elastic. So please watch to the end and like and subscribe, give a comment. Okay, God bless you.
Glory of the Lord surround. Makes me feel so good. They were terrified, but the angel said to them, ooh, yeah. Don't be afraid, I bring you good news of the great
to
joy.
do the other side. Okay, let me cut it. And I'll cut just a small because it is. I'm going to use elastic to do it. So
don't be afraid. I bring you good news. Don't be afraid. Great joy. Don't be afraid. Let it be for you. Don't be afraid. And all the people. Don't be afraid. Glory be to God. Don't be afraid. In the highest. Don't be afraid. Peace and love. Don't be afraid. Peace to mankind. Come to me, all you who are worried and burdened, and I will give you rest for your soul. Oh, you know that. Ooh, yeah. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me. Yeah. For I am gentle and humble in heart. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. So I said to you, don't be afraid. I bring you good news. Don't be afraid. Of great joy. Don't be afraid. Let it be for you. Don't be afraid. And all the people. Don't be afraid. Glory be to God. Don't be afraid. In the highest. Don't be afraid. Peace and love. Don't be afraid. Peace to mankind.
So I'm going to cut it. This is the back side. So I'll trace it. So
check it out, it's all about God. Yeah. It's all about God, y'all. It's all about God. It's all about God, y'all. Oh, check it out. For he is the image of the invisible God. The first one over all creator creation. By him
to
all
cut
things
the
were
other
created.
side.
Things
So
in heaven
it is
and
leggings. So
things
this
in
is
earth.
fold. The
God
other
is
side.
some invisible
My
to
side
help
is
us.
my tight side is fold, but my front side is not fold. So I'm going to. So this is the leggings that I'm going to do it. I have to sew because it's ankara, non-elastic material, is cotton. So to get the elastic and do the leggings, I have to put in elastic. So I'm sewing through all around, and then I will place in the elastic. That's why I'm doing. So that will be nice, so that the elastic won't show inside. It will not be nice. So I'm sewing. This is the elastic that I'm waiting from Amazon. Is more 100 yards or so. So I'm going to use it on this because I've done some, because I have a little elastic there. So now I'm going to do all, put in all. So, and I have the other leggings there. So I hope it will I will get them all. I'll get them all inside before it's finished. It look more, but so I have the safety pin, and I'm going to remove it.
They were shepherds living on the fields, keep on watching their flocks at night. An angel of the Lord appeared to them, glory of the Lord surround. Makes me feel so good. They were terrified, but the angel said to them, don't be afraid, I bring you good news of a great joy. That before all the people, so don't be afraid. So I said to you, don't be afraid, I bring you good news. Don't be afraid of great joy. Don't be afraid, that will be for you. Don't be afraid, and all the people. Don't be afraid, glory be to God. Don't be afraid, in the highest. Don't be afraid, peace and love. Don't be afraid, peace to mankind. Come to me, all you who are worried and burdened, and I will give you rest for your soul. Oh, you know that.
1 inch out.
Take my yoke upon you and learn from me. Yeah.
Or I will.
For I am
Let
gentle
me see.
and humble in heart.
So this is the wrong side. I'm still doing it. It remains this place, and that is the front side of the foot, the leg side, and this is the top, the clutch is here. So I'm still on it. So I'm going to sew the pin side, so that I can remove the pins, because when I'm doing it, it's pinning me.
Invisible to others, the power authority of our
And I hope I'll finish early and join them together, and then dress up, show it so that you will see how it goes. This is the wrong side, and this is the right side. Try leggings, yeah, elastic leggings. So ankara elastic leggings. So I'm going to do it. Alright.
And learn from me, yeah. For I am gentle and humble in heart. Makes me feel so good. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. So I said to you, don't be afraid.
Be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be
Don't be
afraid.
afraid.
Don't be
It's all
afraid.
about God.
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be
Don't be
afraid.
afraid. Don't be afraid of God.
Don't be
Don't be
afraid.
afraid.
Don't be
Don't be
afraid.
afraid.
Don't
Everybody,
be
don't
afraid.
be afraid. It ain't nobody but God.
Don't be afraid.
G.O.D.
Don't be afraid.
G.O.D.
Don't be afraid.
G.O.D.
Don't be afraid. Don't be
Don't be
afraid.
afraid.
Don't be afraid. So I said to you, don't be afraid. I bring you good news. Don't be afraid. Of great joy. Don't be afraid. That will be for you. Don't be afraid. And all the people. Don't be afraid. Glory be to God. Don't be afraid. In the highest. Don't be afraid. Peace and love. Don't be afraid. Peace to mankind. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest for your soul. Oh, you know that.
Ooh, yeah.
Take my yoke upon you and learn from me. Yeah. For I am gentle and humble in heart. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. So I said to you, don't be afraid. I bring you good news. Don't be afraid. Of great joy. Don't be afraid. That will be for you. Don't be afraid. And all the people. Don't be afraid. Glory be to God. Don't be afraid. In the highest. Don't be afraid. Peace and love. Don't be afraid. Peace to mankind.
Check it out. It's all about God. Yeah. And it's all about God, y'all. It's all about God. It's all about G.O.D. y'all. Oh, check it out. For he is the image of the invisible God, the first one over all creator creation. By him all things were created, things in heaven and things in earth. Visible to some, invisible to others. The weather, the power, authority of our word, God. The beginning and the end, Alpha and Omega. Can you give it to me again? He is God, Almighty, none beside him, none above him. Here we go to wake you up in the morning. You know he's gonna make sure that you don't go astray.
Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest for your soul.